So guys, welcome back. I actually looking at the last week's video. Actually, something happened to my PC, which I lost maybe perhaps the first 5 minutes of the videos about the progress. Well, what happened was I actually left the frame, the original frame, which I actually did. Went up the area which I tried feeding it, uh, where the fuel tank used to be. It took me about 3 days, which I finally gave up. That is why I ended up opening up the back or the spare fuel well place to make the battery box. But if you look at the and one of the reason for my reluctance was actually there is safety, there is handling, all those advantages that I will lose. But then again, there are some things that I would gain by doing that. Is peace of mind, where I don't have to think and think again. If I would to have, if you look at the wheels position from the front all the way to the back, if I could have to wait about this area, of course I am quite confident that that would pull the center of gravity much lower, and also the balancing of the whole vehicle becomes much more centralized, and not much worry about the weight distribution and all. I think it's gonna be very even, because it's gonna be it's gonna be almost of the weight is gonna be almost to the middle. And so that is one of my initial reasons why I was quite reluctant to go to the back, because once I shifted the back, so now you could see a little bit small portion of the of course it made all the clearance, if you can see, that is the maybe about 2 inches more from that little nut, from that nut joint down another 2 inch. That would be the lowest point of the car. So the current design is it would still have about 2 inches of clearance. Even if I want to move it, if I could move it, I might move it just maybe about 2 inches more lower. So that would give me another extra 2 inch up. I don't know, I'll see how it goes from there. So and if you look at here, you could see, I hope you could get this, I could get this on. Oh, those are some of the scratch marks and dust from the couple of weeks back, where 2 weeks back, where I tried bringing this the frame which I've sized to that place up there. So it took me about 3 days, which I finally gave up. Just the frame took me 3 days. What about the individual 55 kilo battery? So I don't think I would be able to do that at all. That really made me give up the whole idea. So last resort, I still could have this, spare spare wheel can go anywhere. And this of course propose some great advantage, where I don't need to worry much about the BMS wiring. Maybe one, maybe two, but most of them I've got it cleared. So as work progressed, still lots of work need to be done at the here. The extra pieces of steel that I've collected from the scrap tank, I have made reinforced hinges, 3 here, welded them on, another 3 at the other side. There is this is just a flat piece of which I've measured. This should fit. Another one, this is the middle one, and another one. So each side of it gets 3 reinforced, will be reinforced at 3 spots, or attached to 3 spots. So now I'll go ahead and test fit. Hope this would fit in. If this good, if this works out, it's gonna be to the next step. So far I've welded the reinforced hinges. So all these are all in, and the wood is no longer supporting it, so it's quite firm. And with the reinforced hinges or attachment in place, the frame is quite steady now. So even without any support, and it is not even welded on yet, I have to use a hammer to knock it in place. So let's go underneath the car, have a look at the hinges, how it looks like now. So we are underneath the car now. There is 3 on each side. There's the middle one, the strongest or the largest structure of all. There is 2 more smaller pieces here to the middle, and then to the side there's another one. So same thing on the other side. Crawl down there again. Hold on. I'll try to get this on. Okay, so there you can see another 3 more pieces. So this piece is where's the angle? Come on. I'm sorry. Okay, focus. I need to focus it a little bit. There you go. So this piece is more or less, that's why it is so firm. It actually sits on what do you call a place where I've already shaped out. So there's another piece down here which will be welded later on here, and then there's the third one down there which would be welded once I get everything prepared. So looking at this, the next step, we'll spend another day with Jerry's to make that box. So I've spent a day at Jerry's again. So he made this for me. This is part of the centerpiece of the box. Those are the end covers. There is a good reason why I designed it in such a way. And go ahead, give it a test fit before I weld the whole thing, the frame especially, first into the car. That should slide in, hopefully when all is fitted up, it should slide in like this. So that's more or less how it looks like after that. So go ahead and weld this onto the frame. Well, just another test fit from just the cover or the box, so I could slide it in from the top, and then the sides will come in from the underneath, but I guess try to make it 2 feet. I need to trim out about 7 mm each, 7 mm in total, the sides, but at least it's only a matter of time before I get this over with. So the frame is actually now welded in place. On the hinges, I hope I could get this properly on video, or without the lights. Well, anyway, some like this better. So took me a whole bloody day just to set this up and get it welded in place. Plus there was some issues with the welding machines, which I've been going on for some time now, but until today I got it rectified. One of the blood wobs came in and decided to make a house in the regulator, so that's the problem with, but no more problem with the welding. So it's quite nice welding all the way. So the 3 hinges are all welded on. It's very sturdy. You can do some shoulder push-up if you are capable of down there. So it's 200 kilos, I think it's or more. It's not a problem for the frame. So I'll leave it here. I'll continue to work as next week there might be a public holiday. I'm not sure. I think there is one, so I'll continue work on that. Hopefully I could get this thing welded in place, whole thing, and I still need to paint it, coat it, somehow insulate it before dropping in the batteries. So thanks again guys for watching. Hope to see you again next week. Okay.